Welcome back to day 88 of the Confidence to Cash 90-day sprint. We're officially in the home stretch, and right now, momentum matters more than motivation. Most people slow down at this point, but you're not most people. Here's why day 88 is so critical. Here's something powerful about momentum. It's easier to keep going than it is to start over. And at day 88 is where you prove to yourself that you can stay consistent even when the finish line is close. So this is also the momentum where people begin to question themselves. Have I done enough? Is it even working? Does it really matter if I slack off now? But in these days, these last few days, they shape your identity. But what you do in these last few days shapes your identity far more than what you did at the beginning. Anyone can start strong, but finishing strong, that's where leaders are made, my friend. That's where belief is built. And that's where the next level is activated. Momentum versus motivation. At this point in the sprint, motivation might feel lower, and that's okay. But motivation was never the goal. Momentum is a decision. Motivation comes and goes, but momentum is something that you create through action, even in those days that you don't want to feel like it. If you take one step forward today, just one, my friend, you're not relying on an emotion. You're relying on commitment. And commitment is what carries you into success. We're going to do some practical applications to strengthen that momentum. So here's your assignment today. Choose something small but meaningful to you that you can complete today that reinforces your momentum. This could be something as easy as posting one piece of content, reviewing your goals for the next 30 days, finishing a module within the classroom, writing your email list or a simple value message, or practicing a hook on a camera, organizing your ideas that comes after the 90 days. This action doesn't have to be a big one, my friend. It just needs to move you forward. Because small steps, repeated consistently, create unstoppable momentum. Why are you ready for the next level? You've already done the hard part. You've showed up, you stayed in the room, and you kept going even when it got uncomfortable. You didn't quit. You didn't make excuses, and you didn't wait for the perfect conditions. That's what it takes. That's what makes you powerful. That's what makes you different. And that's what will carry you beyond the 90-day into a brand new season of growth. Here's your call to action for day 88. Comment below one small action that you're going to commit to doing today to keep your momentum alive. You're so close, my friend. And I promise you, the way you finish these last few days is going to shape the way that you start your next chapter. I will see you tomorrow for day 89.